It's now time to assign some people to each of those tasks. So lockout tagout will be done by an operator. Install scaffolding will be done by a scaffolder. The clean chute will be done by a contractor. And empty conveyor will be done by operator. And you see here that it proposed me operator because that resource already exists now. It will be available in the dropdown. So let's assign operator. I'm going to go then to inspect and repair conveyor will be done by mechanic. Same thing here. And oops, you can see that I have a red icon that just appeared to tell me that that resource has been over allocated because yeah, there's no overlap here. We'll solve that later. Inspect electrical room will be done by electrician. Same thing here. And remove lockout tag out operator again. And pre-operational inspection will be done by mechanic. Every resource that I've created here will appear in the resource sheet. So if I go into that drop down here, resource sheet, every resource created appear here with information. I can manage type of work and the initial, the group, so I can group the resource the way I want, and we'll see that in more detail in another video talking about resources. Same thing for cost and everything. And I just want to talk a little bit about the base calendar. So that's where you're going to assign a basic calendar to each of those resources. Maybe they work on the day shift, the night shift. So right now, I just have the basic calendar at the 24 hours, night shift, and standard that has been created. And we're going to have another video that will explain how to manage and create new calendar. And to go back in the Gantt view, so I'm just going to go click back on this icon here to go back to my Gantt.